Monzo. Refer a friend, invite your friends to join Monzo and you'll both get £5. Share your link with everyone you'd like to invite and we'll give you and them £5, as long as they sign up and make a card payment within 30 days. We're a fully licensed UK bank, which means we're regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority and the Prudential Regulation Authority. A new way to bank. With features like instant spending notifications, simple ways to send money, pots for separating it, and monthly spending summaries. Loans and overdrafts. We offer loans up to £15,000 and overdrafts up to £1,000. You can check if you're eligible without affecting your credit score. Puts money in your hands. Full financial visibility, with your other bank accounts and credit cards all in one place. Get interest on your money, personalized budgeting, and much more. The award-winning app with the Hot Coral debit card. Our free account lets you spend, save, and manage your money, all in one place. Get instant notifications whenever you spend, set aside your saving and bills money into pots, and pay friends in a few taps. Traveling with Monzo. Spend with your Monzo card anywhere in the world, for free. We don't add any fees to the exchange rate and you don't need to tell us in advance. Online banking that makes a statement. Turn heads with our white metal card, made from steel. Enjoy peace of mind with extensive phone and travel insurance, interest, and much more. Borrowing, loans, and overdrafts. We offer overdrafts up to £2,000 and loans up to £25,000. Checking if you're eligible won't leave a mark on your credit score, there are no lengthy forms to fill in, and no charges for paying us back early. Refer a friend. Invite your friends to join Monzo and you'll both get £5. Share your link with everyone you'd like to invite and we'll give you and them £5, as long as they sign up and make a card payment within 30 days. Why join Monzo? A UK current account, with savings, borrowing, and overdrafts. Protection for your money. Your eligible deposits are protected by the FSCS up to a value of £85,000 per person. Fee-free UK bank transfers. Send money to any UK bank for free. Pots for separating money. Put money aside from your balance. Award-winning support, through the app, if you need it. Instant notifications. See when, where, and how you spend. Apple Pay and Google Pay. Spend using your phone. Spending categories. Get a clear view of your spending.